The humble spray bottle, often overlooked in its simplicity, is a versatile and indispensable tool that finds its place in a myriad of settings, from household chores to beauty routines and beyond. This unassuming gadget, typically consisting of a container with a pump mechanism, has evolved into a practical and efficient solution for dispensing liquids in a fine mist, making it an essential item in various aspects of daily life. Design and functionality. The design of a spray bottle is characterized by its ergonomic simplicity. Comprising a container to hold the liquid, a pump mechanism, and a nozzle, the spray bottle is designed to deliver liquids in a controlled and efficient manner. The nozzle disperses the liquid in a fine mist, allowing for even distribution on surfaces or targeted application, depending on the user's needs. Household cleaning. In the realm of household chores, the spray bottle emerges as a versatile ally. From homemade cleaning solutions to commercial cleaners, the spray bottle facilitates the efficient application of liquids to surfaces. Its ability to dispense a fine mist ensures that cleaning agents cover a larger area with minimal wastage, making it an eco-friendly choice for various cleaning tasks. The ergonomic design of the spray bottle also makes it easy to handle and maneuver, enhancing the overall user experience during cleaning sessions. Gardening and plant care. For gardening enthusiasts, the spray bottle becomes a valuable tool for plant care. Whether it's misting delicate indoor plants, applying fertilizers, or combating pests with natural solutions, the spray bottle offers precision and control. The fine mist allows users to provide moisture without oversaturating the soil, making it an ideal choice for nurturing a variety of plants, from seedlings to mature specimens. Personal care and beauty. In the realm of personal care and beauty, the spray bottle takes on a different role. From hairstyling to skincare routines, the spray bottle becomes a convenient dispenser for liquids. Hairdressers use it to dampen hair during cutting or styling, while individuals use it to apply toners, facial mists, or setting sprays. The gentle mist ensures even coverage without disturbing makeup or hairstyles, adding a touch of luxury to personal care rituals. Art and craft. In the creative realm, the spray bottle transforms into a tool for artistic expression. Artists use spray bottles to achieve unique effects with watercolor or acrylic paints, creating textures and gradients on canvas. Additionally, the spray bottle is a handy tool for crafting projects, allowing for controlled application of dyes, inks, or adhesives. Travel and on the go. Compact and portable, travel-sized spray bottles become essential companions for those on the move. Whether it's refreshing with a facial mist during a long flight, carrying a small amount of sanitizer, or having a quick stain remover on hand, these mini spray bottles provide convenience in various travel scenarios. Their small size and leak-resistant design make them suitable for tossing into bags or pockets. Specialized applications. Beyond these common uses, spray bottles have found their way into specialized applications. In industries such as horticulture, automotive care, and cleaning services, spray bottles with adjustable nozzles or high-capacity containers cater to specific needs. These variations showcase the adaptability of the spray bottle design to diverse professional environments. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more great content. See you tomorrow.